Welcome back. We are on the blogging tutorial, how to write and post articles. And we have treated all this down to how to generate content through ChatGPT. But in today's tutorial, I want to show you how to use YouTube to generate quality content for your blog posts. This particular tutorial, you won't see it anywhere online. I generate this on my own, and I've been using this method to generate quality content for myself. So I want to share this idea with you. And if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Let's get started. Now, the platform we want to use is number one, we'll use a YouTube videos. So this is the topic we want to write about. So you search for this topic on YouTube. Let's search for this topic. So now this is what we have. So you can run through the topics, their topics, the people that have created content already on this, and then anyone you like, you can easily play it to listen to the points the person is making. And after that, you need to download this video. So if you don't know how to download YouTube video, please go to the comment section and ask me online store, how do I download YouTube video, and I will tell you. So I won't go on into that today. I have a video that I've already downloaded on this topic that we want to use. So let's go into our tutorial for today. So having done this, assuming you have gotten the video already downloaded into your PC, I will link this website in the description box below. So please go to the description box and click on the link. So here on v.io, what we will do here is for us to use that video to generate a subtitle for our blog. So let's just see exactly the practical what I want to show you. So on the product, click on subtitle and transcription. Now transcribe now. So it will open up an editor for you. Right, what is this? I haven't seen this before. Unlock exclusive offers and updates, not now. So you'll be asked to upload your file. So click on upload and locate the file on your PC. So this is the one I want to use. I want to use this. So now open it. Now if you're on the free plan, you'll be limited to only 10 minutes video. So you cannot transcribe more than 10 minutes video. So for you to avoid that, I advise you go for the premium plan. So make sure you use the link in my description so that you'll be able to use the link in the description of this video and sign up for the premium plan. The reason for this is for you just to encourage me. They won't charge you high, they won't charge you less, you just pay the normal price. But the thing is that vid.io will give me a commission, maybe $5 out of what you purchase. So you are just doing it to encourage me on what for me doing this video for you. So please use the link in my description box below. So click on create video transcription. Let's see what will happen. All right, our subtitle have been generated. So this is what we do. Now this is exactly what this man is explaining in his video. This is a tutorial. He's teaching. So what we are doing is for us to convert video into blog. That amazing. That's amazing. So what this man is saying, you are now translating it into writing. What he's doing in his video, you translate it into writing. So this one, once this website have finished generating this for you, it's just for you to highlight or copy it, and then come back to your document, and then let's create a new document for this. Let's create a new document for this, and then paste it. So now let's check how many words we have here. So you can see we have 4,000 words. You can see how effective and easy this one is. So we have 4,000 words here. So now the next thing is for you to be able to, you know, is for you to have the headlines for all this, and then start editing everything. So here, this one needs some work in that you have to read through all these, and then separate this by paragraphs and all the rest of them. So guys, after all this, you have to sit down and read through all this, and reformat them. Reformat them. So now I want to give you a bonus of how you can write content on for your blog post. So now with this method, this is the method of you writing it by yourself. The way you teach people, let's say for instance, you already know about this topic, you know about everything that you want to write about. So you don't need anybody to write for you. You don't want to copy online the rest of the thing. You want to write it by yourself. So let's say you want to write it by yourself. Let me show you how to do it. Very easy. Now what you do on this, let's say you want to write on the same topic. Let's paste that topic here. Let me go and copy that topic. This is our topic that we were using. Copy this and then come and paste it here. So this is our topic. So what we'll do is for us to use a feature on our Google Docs and write this content. You are not to type. Maybe you are not fast in typing. What you want to do is just for you to say. If you can type, no problem, but what you want to do is for you to say, just be speaking. As you are speaking, the Google will be writing it for you. So what to do is for you to come to your tools, scroll down. Is it tool? Yes. Come to voice typing, and then you click here to. So once you click on this place, as you are speaking, Google will be typing it for you. For instance, let's just say let's just do a run through. Let me click on it. You may ask, are people really making money online, or do online money making really works? The question is yes. Instead of you using your mobile phone and spending all your time watching all the videos on YouTube, on TikTok, you can really use your phone or your desktop to really make money online. Guys, I think you can see what we have done. Within this period, I'm just picking what my idea is. I'm just creating an headline here. So you just be doing it like this, just be talking and it will be typing it for you. So within a couple of minutes, you have a great content. And I tell you, this is the best. Yes, this is the best. So I would say if you can write content by yourself, that is the best. So the second one is this means of using YouTube that we just did. We just pick a video from YouTube and then we transcribe it. We use a subtitle feature to get the content, and then copy the subtitle, everything, and then start editing it. So after the one you are writing it by yourself, this one also follows, because this one is like you are writing it by yourself. If you use ChatGPT to write content, it will not have much value to the readers, and Google will notice it. Once Google notice that you are using ChatGPT to generate content, your that blog post will take time before it will rank. So is the best one is for you, the one you write by yourself, or the this last method that I just showed you now. That's all for how to generate content online. So the next thing that we are going to is for us to be able to optimize this our blog post and then post our content online and make money from it. So that's all for today. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.